So after multiple searches, I finally found a Laserwash 4000. So it's a refurbished. It doesn't have the you know how there's usually like a tread pad right there. It's all motion censored, so that's good. We'll see how this goes. This is actually my first ever Laserwash 4000. We are already on our second pre-soak. I don't know what's up with that. I would have done the other bay, but it was glitching like crazy. It said car wash in use, but there was no one even there. So that kind of got me confused. Okay, wait, this must be the second pre-soak. So the first one was the first pre-soak, this is the second pre-soak. Oh, and also, forgot to mention, this is the Laserwash 4000 at Brassfield Laserwash off of US 220 South, US 220 North, Battleground Avenue, Greensboro, North Carolina, off of Interstate 840 and I-785. For 3 stars on Google Maps, it's actually, I guess, good. Like I said, one of the bays was actually, the bay to the right of me, or left in this case, was glitching. It said, please wait, car wash in use. I pressed my payment and didn't say welcome. So I was wondering if like someone was not already in there, because no one pulled out the bay. So yeah. Wow. Powerful pressure washing right here. Double pass in the front. That is always really nice. It looks like these are not standalone. They are actually on 4 dryers, which is actually nice. I have not seen a Laserwash 4000 before. I never filmed it. Let's see how this does. Wow, that's actually really good. Let's see if I can turn around here. I know there's car washes in Graham that I can go to on my way home, but I really have heard and seen videos of Brassfield's car wash, and I just have to check it out. In my opinion, the setup here counts a lot better than the college one in Greensboro, and that's in my opinion, but we all have our own opinions. I purchased the 5-star car wash. Let's see what we have next. Next we have clear coat polish, which I'm assuming is Rain-X. I do like the Laserwash 360s, but the 4000s are kind of like a vintage, but awesome at that. And what I like about newer model 4000s is because you know how they had like that virtual, like that metal piece you had to stand on your tire? This is all virtual treadle. It's LED censored, which is great. It smells like bubble gum in here, which is amazing. And the sign says something about Laser Girl. I don't know what that's about, but I don't know. is interesting. We have a clear coat protectant, but it's got high pressure rinse. Kind of a weak one. I don't know what that's about. I don't know what that's about. Kind of weak. It's kind of a weak wash. What to do now? Spot free. No Trifoam. I am not gonna lie, that's kind of sad for a Laserwash 4000. And this wheel, oh, that actually didn't sound good. And this says there's a wheel cleaner here too. I don't know what the wheel cleaner is about, but we didn't get that or Trifoam. This car wash is okay. No Trifoam or wheel cleaner, which I mean, that's not really much of a downside. Let's see how the dryers hold up. Laserwind drying. LaserDri, Laserwind, I don't really see much of a difference. All three nozzles are actually moving. I've seen in videos that like only one or two are, but this one has all three. Not a lot of pressure on the nozzle there. Let's see how the dryers do. Doing an okay job. Laserwash 4000, but I am kind of sad that there was no rust inhibitor or protector, no wheel cleaner, or no Trifoam. But hey, this is still, for 3.9 stars, this is actually still pretty good. Not the best maintained, but it's alright. So this one actually has no Trifoam, which is interesting. But what I do love is how these are swinging and they're not standalone, because I cannot do a timer. In videos I've seen, they've always run down on people. The real question is going to be getting out of here. But hey, it wasn't bad. For 14 bucks, that was alright. No rust inhibitor or Trifoam, but it's okay. So that was that. That was a Laserwash 4000.